Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorials, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about an amazing tool which is ChatGPT. And this AI tool will solve all your problems in just few seconds. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to the Google and here we will search ChatGPT. And this is the official website of ChatGPT, and here you have to click on this link. Once you click on the link, you will see this type of window on your screen, and now you have to create an account for use this tool. And I am going to sign up button, and here we have to write our email address over here, and then we will continue. And the other way is continue with Google. I will continue with Google because this is the very easiest way to create an account anywhere. So here I will write my name, and here I will write my organization name, and here I will write my date of birth and continue. And now you have to write your phone number over here just for verification. You simply select your country, from which country are you. So once you're done with your phone number, now you have to solve this puzzle. So I am clicking on this, and here you have to define the direction of this picture, and verification complete. And now you will receive an enter code on your mobile number, and you have to write your code over here. And now you will see these three options over here, and you have to select one of them. So I will select this one, and I'm going to on dashboard. So guys, your account has been done. So this is how to sign up on ChatGPT. We will talk about the uses of ChatGPT in our next video. So hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Please subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.